Ooh. All right, guys, we are back. I didn't want to film too much at the shop for privacy, but oh man, we finally have the TE37 SAGA S Plus dark gunmetal wheels. These things fit to a T exactly how I was hoping that they would fit. Man, it is like 100 degrees out here, but I'm not even sure if the camera is even doing this justice. Just the fitment is perfect. These are 275s all around. I really was hoping for this. You can see how these fit. You can see how the rears fit, and check out the rears. They actually stick out just slightly. So you can see they are to where the body is, and they're just inside the wheel well, so it's almost perfect, man. Like, as far as sizing goes, these are 18 by 11 plus 34 Michelin Pilot 4S tires, 275, 35, 18 all around, and just the fitment is spot on. Wow, man. These honestly came out much better than I thought they were. Just look at these wheels. Again, the concave. I did get the Apex lug nuts kit for the car, so it's much easier to take off and on. I think this is just the perfect kind of complement. I wanted to go with nice black, just to make it nice and clean and to match the wheels and the tires. But man, now we're starting to really get somewhere with this build. Adro wing, wrap, color matched wheels. We are now done with phase one of just getting the car with its looks. And I think this is just a perfect look. It's not too over the top. Like, I even got these rare things, you guys know, the tail lights, to the wheels, to the wing, to the exhaust, to the side skirts, to the EVS fenders, to the Seibon hood, to the Sayber Designs side vents, to the VERUS high downforce chassis splitter, and the end plates. Just in so many things that make up this build and this car, and man, just so excited. Absolutely is beautiful. So beautiful. Dang, look at these wheels and tires, man. We are all around. So now we can rotate, we can track, we can have so much fun with this build. These tail lights, look at the tail lights. Oh my gosh. With the wing. If you get farther away or closer, you can do that. Thanks, Rick. We got the wheels and the tires on, and wow. Ooh, oh man, this just feels just so good. So good. The contact on the road just feels amazing. It feels so planted. But I do have to say, going square stance, 275, 35, 18s all around, the car just definitely feels much more planted. I love having just more on the front. Really feels like it just dives in a little bit much more. But overall, man, I'm just so excited, man. Guys, I know for so long we've been talking about getting these wheels. I know I've said this a million times now, but just, man, this car is such a beautiful car. It's really, truly a dream of mine. You know, I'm such a big Porsche guy, but I have to say, you know, having my Z06 and this Supra, I really think I'm good on sports cars, man. I think I can just keep building these two cars. not just for the channel, but just, man, like, I already have 2 amazing cars. I already have so much that I'm just appreciative. You know, it's definitely some hard times out there for a lot of people, and I just hope that I just can inspire you guys to go after your dreams, make them reality, but just to know that you can achieve these things too. You can have a car like this, you can have a build like this, and build whatever car you want, whatever style you want. At the end of the day, build what makes you the happiest, because you're going to be the one paying for it. One thing about this car is so many people just come up and talk about it and give great compliments, and man, this is just it's surreal. It's almost like a wild thing to think that, like, this is my car, you know, like, this is a car that I have, and man, I'm just so happy. But man, I have to say, I'm now officially part of the TE squad, Volk Racing Wheel squad, JDM squad. I know it's Euro, but I had to include some JDM bits. I got the lug nuts from Apex Racing, I got the wheels, I got the tires. Man, yeah, it's just smooth. The new tires, the new wheels, just the car, it just feels so smooth now. It feels really awesome. Yeah, I just have so many of you guys to thank just for supporting the channel. Like I said, it's okay to be patient, guys. I waited a long time to find the right wheels that I wanted for the car, to find the right fit of kind of the build I'm going for, and getting this squared stance, track stance. It has both the functionality of forged wheels, lightweight. I can race in them, racing series TE wheels, and it also looks good, man. Stylish. It's got the concaveness. It's got the color that I was looking for. It's got just everything as far as what I wanted in a wheel. And I'm so happy that I waited. And for all of you guys out there that want to plan a build, it's okay to be patient. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Hit the subscribe button, follow the journey. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great day, y'all. Health is wealth. Keep working out, keep staying fit, keep eating the right things, and keep being the good people out there. Peace.